Will not disturb fish or decor during routine aquarium maintenance. Adapts easily to most faucets. Complete ready-to-use system. Smaller, more frequent water changes are imperative to the health of your fish. Without regular water changes, invisible toxins can build up in your aquarium, creating a hazardous environment for its inhabitants. The Python No Spill Clean and Fill is a complete ready-to-use system which adapts easily to most faucets and makes water changes a breeze. It drains as well as fills aquariums, and will not disturb fish or decor during routine aquarium maintenance. No buckets, no siphons, no mess, no tank teardowns, ever again. The Python No Spill Clean and Fill system includes hose, gravel tube, switch, hose connectors, faucet pump, and brass faucet adapter. Top reviews from the United States. No spill, seriously. I bought this product over 4 years ago. It was great investment. Made cleaning the tank quick and without a mess. There are a few points that I want to mention. The suction power is good as long as it is connected to a faucet with strong output of water. If the stream in the faucet is weak, suction will no work as well. Aerators should be removed before connecting this device to the faucet. It is great value because it can be used forever, very little chance it will break unless you purposely mistreat it. The only reason I say 4 stars for easy to use is because connection to the sink faucet may need some work. When I bought it, the adapter that came with it did not fit my faucet well. I force it, rig it a little and never removed it. But when time came to change the faucet, I found myself without an adapter. I looked at Home Depot like others mentioned and couldn't find one that fit. I risked buying one from Amazon and it worked. It took me some time to research and look in different places, save the time. Here is the one that fitted my faucet: bathroom sink faucet snap adapter, quick connect to garden hose, kitchen faucet aeratord quick snap connector to 3/4 inch GHT female for washer, indoor sink quick fit attachment. So, if you find yourself having trouble with the adapter that comes with this, check this one out.